Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. Here's a really neat 3D looking, it almost looks like a black to a white, how it's been done. Pretty easy, pretty fun. Take you a square, fill it in with black, take away the outline, and then get your transparency tool and just kind of swipe upwardly. Let's put that about in the middle and let's bring some more white in and then leave it like that. Now we need to get out the effects, and I don't know when this started. It's been in the last couple of versions called Pointillizer. So I apologize. I've never used it. I never could understand what it did, and I was just playing around with it today. I'm going to leave all the settings as they are, and I'm going to pick a round shape ball, and look at that. There are minute balls and balls that are stuck together. Then take an ellipse, put it about wherever you want in the scheme of things. It's still selected. Then go to effects and lens effect. Let's get rid of that for a second. Lens effect, fisheye, and I'm not going to do anything to it. And then I'm going to hit, well, let's bump this up to like 200 and see what happens. Well, yeah, that's good. Now freeze it or frozen. And what that's going to do is going to lock it in that ball and then take away the outline. That's pretty cool. And you could do this with numerous of shapes. You could make your own shape. I'm going to play a little bit more with it. You could make, customize your shape. So just something to kind of play with. I'm going to play with it a little bit more and see what else I can get it to do. But that's pretty easy and pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.